In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your Lovable.dev website. 2026 guide. We'll connect a Google Analytics 4 property to your Lovable.dev site so you can track visits, engagement, and more. The flow is simple. Grab your measurement ID from Google Analytics, then add it to your Lovable project. Make sure you're signed into a Google account and have access to your Lovable.dev project before we start. Open analytics.google.com and sign in. In the bottom left, open the admin area. In the property column, confirm you're on the right GA4 property for your website. If needed, check property settings to verify details like the property name and time zone so your reports line up with your audience. Still in admin, look for the section called Data Collection and Modification. This is where you'll configure how data gets into analytics. Click Data Streams, then choose Web. If you don't already have a web stream, you'll be prompted to create one. Enter your website URL carefully, including HTTPS if your site uses it, and give the stream a recognizable name. Create the stream and you'll see the Stream Details panel. Here's the key item you need, the measurement ID. It looks like GU followed by a string of letters and numbers. Copy that ID and keep it handy. Now switch over to your Lovable.dev project. Open the app or page where you want analytics to run and use the prompt or setting to add Google Analytics to that page. When Lovable asks for your tracking details, paste the measurement ID you just copied. Save your changes and make sure the update is applied to the live version of your site. After the integration is in place, Google can start collecting your data. Give it a few minutes, then visit your site in a new tab. Back in Analytics, you can open the real-time view to confirm that your visit is being recorded. If you don't see activity right away, try disabling ad blockers, double-check that you used the correct site URL in the web stream, and confirm there are no extra spaces in the measurement ID. Also, ensure you only add one analytics integration per page to avoid duplicate hits. That's it. You've connected your Lovable.dev website to Google Analytics 4 using a web data stream and your measurement ID. From here, you can explore events, page views, traffic sources, and more inside Analytics. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new insights.